Radhika Ji, a courageous woman IPS officer with strong willpower and a sharp mind. Women IPS officers are a symbol of woman power and breaking all mites of physical strength. They are heading the paramilitary forces and other male-dominated trades in our country. Women IPS officers in India have been often subject to great changes over the past few millennia, but contrary to that, they have time and again proved their caliber by their heroic acts. And today we see women IPS officers heading the paramilitary forces, chief commissioners, and dealing with chronic Naxalites problems in our country. Here we are presenting one such top woman IPS officer, Radhika Ji, a 2012 batch Karnataka cadre IPS officer who is an inspiration to all. Switching from engineering to Indian Police Service, Radhika has handled high-profile cases and has inspired hundreds of young girls in our country to pursue civil services as a career. Speaking with pride, Radhika says the job profile of an IPS officer is very challenging and dynamic. It requires a lot of dedication and commitment towards this job. A courageous woman IPS officer as she is, Radhika is with strong willpower and a sharp mind. Presently, Ms. Radhika is serving as an Assistant Director in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy in Hyderabad. A tough cop, Radhika was the first female DCP of Belagavi in 2017 and has tackled high-profile crimes such as the Kakati gang rape and the sharpshooter case. This, Radhika says, was some challenge, and in a city like Belagavi, she says had to deal with communal tensions and linguistic issues which required guts. But my stint so far has been very interesting. I have got a lot of exposure handling range of cases which has taken me this extent, helping me prove my caliber, says Radhika. A profession demands one to be alert and agile at all times, and none of this would be possible without the support of family members. One needs a strong support base at home, and that is why I have been able to fulfill my duties well, Radhika says, thanking her family, especially her mother, who she feels has been a great source of inspiration and strength. At the end of the day, police officers need to be resolute, steady, confident, and motivated to carry out their work. Even when faced to adversities or limited resources, police officers must persevere to accomplish their mission or purpose. Radhika, who embodies strength, wisdom, and courage through her contribution to the police force, tries to make a world of difference, especially to women, children, and people who come seeking justice. Her dedication and hard work never ever fails to leave a lasting impression. Madam, wish you a very happy birthday and all the best to achieve many more laurels from the entire team of Indian Police TV. A report by R. Anil Kumar.